Nothing feels quite as good as cleansing your face. Getting rid of every bit of dirt, sweat and makeup from your skin helps it to breathe, renew and repair. But you know what? With so many options available in the market, picking the right cleanser for your skin type can be a little bit tricky. But not if I'm here. Hi guys, मैं हूँ काव्या और आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ some amazing face washes for all skin types. पर आगे बढ़ने से पहले you guys know the drill. Make sure you subscribe to the Be Beautiful channel और बेल आइकन पे जरूर क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आप नोटिफाइड रहे with all our latest video updates. अब सबसे पहले बात करते हैं ऑयली स्किन की. ये तो हम सब जानते हैं कि ऑयली स्किन tends to produce excess of oil which attracts dirt and bacteria that tends to clog your pores. And unfortunately, this leads to a lot of problems like acne and blackheads. तो इसका मतलब है you need to be using a face wash that not only gets rid of the excess oil but also keeps your pores squeaky clean. Having said that, I have a face wash for you that does both. I am talking about the Pears Ultra Mild Face Wash Oil Clear Glow. This right here is a 100% soap-free formula and it also contains lemon flower extracts that work as a natural astringent to keep your pores unclogged and clean. साथ ही इसमें है glycerine which means कि आपकी skin काफी soft महसूस करेगी without any dryness. Next up, let's talk about dry skin. When hydration is low, it causes a drop in sebum production in your skin. Now this leads to itchiness, dry flakes and patches. Now इस problem से deal करने के लिए it's very important that you pick a very moisturizing formula that is very gentle on your skin without any added harsh chemicals. Now the one that fits the bill perfectly is this one right here. This is the Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash. This is a 100% soap-free formula and it is also free from any added parabens, artificial color or any other skin barriers that can dry out your skin. What is amazing about this face wash is that it has a lot of added nourishing ingredients like provitamin B, which adds a lot of hydration to your skin. It also has the benefits of vitamin E, which will help soothe your skin. Now let's talk about sensitive skin. I'm pretty sure that it's not easy to deal with a skin type that is very easily irritable and is also more prone to allergies and infections. इसलिए to deal with sensitive skin, आप किस तरह का cleanser use करते हैं is very important. I'd highly recommend a soap-free and no-rinse formula जो आपके skin को उसके natural oil से strip ना करे. Speaking of which, this simple cleanser fits the bill perfectly. This right here is the Simple Kind to Skin Refreshing Facial Wash. This formula is hypoallergenic, which means कि ये यूज करने से आपकी स्किन पे कोई भी irritation, allergy नहीं होगी. It also contains the hydrating power of provitamin B and vitamin E, both of which are super nourishing and hydrating for your skin. साथ ही ये है non-comedogenic and dermatologically tested, which means you really don't have to think twice before using it for your sensitive skin. The last skin type that I'm going to be talking about is combination skin. जब आपकी skin में कोई एक ही problem होती है जैसे कि excessive oil और dry patches, it is very easy to deal with it. लेकिन अगर आपकी skin oily और dry का combination है, things tend to get a little challenging for you. The reason for this being कि some face washes can over moisturize your oily parts while others may strip off oil from your dry patches. Now this really adds fuel to the fire and can be super frustrating. But guess what? I have found you a face wash that not only balances the oil control level in your skin but also leaves it super hydrated and moisturized. Well, I'm talking about this little baby right here. This is the Pond's Pure Detox Anti-Pollution Purity Face Wash with activated charcoal. This face wash right here contains activated carbon which will help lift off all dirt, impurities, pollution and oil from your skin. This is also known to even out your skin while giving you that amazing glow from within. But while using a face wash for combination skin, you want to make sure that you do not rub the dry areas too much, as this will create a host of other problems that you do not want to deal with. So here's some things that you should keep in mind while washing your face. Firstly, face को rinse करते समय make sure that you are using water that is normal temperature or lukewarm. Do not use hot water on your skin because ये आपकी skin को काफी dry कर देगा. And finally, while you're drying your face, ensure that you are not rubbing the towel harshly on your skin. Gently pat your skin dry. Towel को roughly rub करने से friction create होता है, which disturbs your skin's delicate surface. So that's it guys. उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो. I have made sure to add the links to all the face washes I mentioned in the video in the description box below. I really hope you found a face wash that fits your bill perfectly and will shop for the same. जाने से पहले don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Be Beautiful channel and bell icon पे जरूर click कीजिए ताकि आप notified रहें every single time we upload a new video. Until the next time, bye.